Today, RC drivers, we're checking out a couple new items from Klinik RC. And that item I was just holding is their new folding car stand. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I'm gonna go over its features in just a minute. But first, I wanna show you how it comes. It comes in this crinkly wrapper here. There's actually 6 different colors available, and then they have one in clear. It's an acrylic 4.4 millimeters thick, if I remember correctly. And everything is pre-cut. Just requires a little bit of assembly, as you can see here. You actually have to take this protective paper off of it as well, and it does go together fairly easily. I think it took me less than 5 minutes. They give you these little foam pads for the top. You'll have to stick those on, and I thought this was pretty cool. They actually give you titanium hardware for your car stand. That's pretty awesome. I like the style of hardware. It's like a flange, and then they give you 3mm lock nuts. You also get a decal sheet. But check out this car stand. Again, looks very cool, easy to go together. It does squeak a little bit when you're folding it up, but this is one of its key features here, is it folds up. This goes into your pit bag nice and easily. And that's something with some other stands out there that are permanently, you know, with their legs down. How do you get your stuff in there nicely? And that's where this thing comes in handy. You could also see it's got some holes in the top, and that's where you go rest your shocks when you're bleeding your shocks. And then, of course, you set your car on it when you're working on your car. It doesn't slide with these grips. And it seems to be pretty sturdy as well. It's not going to fold over on you. Maybe if you have this on a pit mat or something and you're really pushing on it, it might go over, but it seems very sturdy. And it'll handle most RC cars up to 1/10 scale. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is, oh wait, this is $34.99, just so you know. And the other thing I want to show you is their new drill bit chuck here. So let me pop this open. Looks like this comes with a decal as well. It's for those of you that tune your shock pistons by drilling new holes in it. And sometimes finding the right chuck to put your drill bit in is a task, actually. It's hard to find one that goes that small. But anyway, I've got some small bits here from Dremel. I'm just going to pull out one of the small ones just so you can see how it works here. We'll slide this open. And not easy to do when it's not actually in a drill or anything. But that's your 1/4-inch drive down there. So those of you with like a Makita driver or something, you can go put it in there. But yeah, looks like it's got to work pretty well. And again, you can go put it in your electric drill and drill out your pistons. I'll have links for all this stuff in the video description below.